Facebook Reels keeps showing something went wrong, please try again on Facebook on your iPhone? No worries. Here's an advanced guide on how to solve the Reel not working problem on the Facebook app with easy steps. So, let's get started. Before doing anything, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. If you don't have stable internet connection, then enable the airplane mode for 10 seconds. After that, turn it off. Or you can switch your mobile Wi-Fi to mobile data or mobile data to mobile Wi-Fi. Quickly after that, restart your device. Sometimes, a simple restart can fix minor software glitches. After restarting, check if your problem is fixed or not, and then try the next solution. Solution 1. Check and update your Facebook app. Open the App Store, search Facebook. If you find any new updates, then please update the app. Now open Facebook. After that, check whether your problem is solved or not. Solution 2. Offload the Facebook app. Open Settings, scroll down, tap on General. Now tap on iPhone Storage. Find the Facebook app. Tap on it. Tap on the Offload the app button, and tap on Offload again. Now, reinstall the app and check whether your problem is fixed or not. After that, hopefully, your Reel not working problem will be solved. If you found this video helpful, then please drop a like, and if you have any questions, then ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.